Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to sell products on Amazon from Indiamart. So basically guys, you need to find the winning product on Indiamart, and you can find products or source them from Amazon. Tap on find products and browse Indiamart for high quality product and with good price for item and with low competitions on Amazon but good demand. Tools guys you need like Jungle Scout can help you for researching and become. And step number 2, so you can become an Amazon seller and register on seller, and need to GST your bank account and choose method FBA or FBM, and step create good listing or high quality listing, and create listing and listed your product on your store. Then you can optimize your listing to ranking your product, and you can run ads to get sales guys. I hope this video helpful. Don't forget like share this video for more content.